Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new episode on my channel Boho BookClub. Today I'll be talking about the book, Don't Believe Everything You Think, written by Kate Joseph Nguyen. Joseph Nguyen is the author of the #1 international best-selling book Don't Believe Everything You Think, which has been translated into 17+ languages. He is a writer who helps others realize who they truly are beyond their own thinking and conditioning to live an abundant life free from psychological and emotional suffering. In Don't Believe Everything You Think, the author delves into the root causes of psychological distress and provides guidance on achieving the life you desire with ease. By learning to detach from negativity, embracing love and joy, breaking free from negative thought patterns, and accessing inner wisdom, individuals can attain peace, love, and fulfillment regardless of their past experiences. The focus is not on rewiring the brain but on expanding consciousness for sustainable personal growth. This book offers a journey into understanding emotional suffering and offers practical insights for effortlessly crafting the life you dream of. Before moving ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Part 1. Thoughts come and go. The keyword is thinking. Imagine you're facing challenges at work, perhaps even to the extent of disliking your job. In such a situation, you have two primary options. Either leave your current job in pursuit of one you truly enjoy, or delve into why you dislike your current job to determine if it's genuinely the job itself or just a perception. Remember, every problem has a solution, though sometimes fear may hinder us from applying it. For instance, in the context of a job, fear might arise from uncertainty about finding another job or concern about potential differences in pay. Yet, if you're unhappy in your current job, it's crucial to identify the root cause and address it. Words like love, hate, like, or dislike are merely labels we assign meaning to. While considering a job change is natural, dwelling excessively on it can lead to unnecessary anxiety and complications. Thoughts of potential challenges like struggling to secure a new job or relocating can overwhelm us. Instead of fixating on leaving, focus on finding solutions to improve your current situation. Feeling bored, needing a break, or comparing your life to others on social media are common triggers for discontent. Remember, thoughts themselves are harmless, but when we dwell on them without critical examination, we risk falling into a cycle of overthinking, which only serves to entrap us further. Part 2. Always question your belief. Your mind operates without an inherent understanding of what's right or wrong. Rather, it's the cumulative effect of your life experiences since birth that molds your perception. For instance, if your upbringing led you to believe that there's no existence of a divine entity, as you mature, you delve into research only to find a lack of conclusive evidence either way. Conversely, if you were nurtured in an environment where the presence of a higher power was unquestioned, surrounded by literature and teachings affirming this belief, you might find yourself steadfastly embracing it without entertaining doubts. Hence, it becomes imperative to constantly interrogate your beliefs, regardless of their origin. While definitive answers may elude you at times, engaging with diverse viewpoints enables you to meticulously examine each facet before drawing any conclusions. Part 3. How you react when you get angry. Imagine someone insults your parents, provoking you to react with anger and violence. However, if you were to fully grasp the situation, you might respond calmly, recognizing that whether the words spoken are flattering or offensive, they remain just that, mere words. Consider a scenario where someone uses profanity in a language you don't understand. Rather than reacting aggressively, you'd likely inquire about the meaning out of curiosity. In this instance, the lack of comprehension prevents the words from inciting anger or violence. It's crucial to recognize that words, regardless of their nature, should be perceived as expressions devoid of intrinsic power. However, there are occasions when situations escalate beyond verbal exchanges. For instance, if someone resorts to physical aggression, it becomes imperative to defend oneself. Yet, when faced with verbal provocations, exercising restraint and stepping back is often the wiser course of action. Conclusion. Ideas constantly flow through our minds, often fixating on what we lack rather than appreciating what we possess. However, It's crucial to shift focus towards enhancing our lives daily through activities like exercise, reading, bonding with family, problem solving, and cherishing what we already have. While our minds generate countless thoughts based on what we perceive, hear, and express, it's unnecessary to react to each one. Self-awareness is key to discerning where to invest our time and energy. While thoughts are intrinsic to our humanity, not every passing notion holds significance. By cultivating awareness of our thoughts, we liberate ourselves from the shackles of overthinking, grounding ourselves in reality and acknowledging thoughts as transient without undue concern for the future. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your comments, likes and shares are highly appreciated. See you soon in our next episode.